St Andrews Castle in Fife is a significant historical site that offers a glimpse into Scotland's medieval past. Its location on a rocky promontory and its association with the powerful bishops make an intriguing destination for history enthusiasts and tourists alike. The castle was built around the year 1200 by Roger de Beaumont. Over the years it housed the wealthy and powerful bishops of the borough, while St Andrews was the ecclesiastical centre of Scotland. The principal remains of this ruined castle include a portion of the south wall enclosing a square tower, the bottle dungeon, the kitchen tower and an underground mine. During the Wars of Independence, the castle was captured, recaptured, dismantled and rebuilt several times. In 1546, the castle was the site of a dramatic siege by Protestant reformers against the Catholic Cardinal David Beaton, who was killed during this conflict. Today the castle is run by Historic Scotland and an entrance fee applies.